Today we're going to look at what we did yesterday, but instead of just being given points or whatever, we're going to be looking at real-world situations. So our goal for today is to be able to write linear equations from real-world situations. So we're going to be given a situation where we have to come up with the points, we have to come up with the slope, we have to find the y-intercept, and then we write the equation and use that equation in the situation. Okay, first problem. Always things about gym memberships. A gym charges $35 per month after an initial membership fee. A member has paid a total of $250 after 6 months. Write an equation that gives the total cost of a gym membership as a function of the length of membership in months. Find the total cost of membership after 10 months. So this is very similar to some things we've done before. Let's let C be our cost, and let's let T be the number of months for time. I would use M, but I don't want to use M since we're dealing with slope, okay? So C is the cost, T is the number of months. Now, let's see what they've given us. They've told us that the gym charges $35 per month, right? That means we're multiplying there. This is a rate. And what is rate another word for? Rate is the same thing as slope. So they've told us that the slope of this line, or of this equation, is 35. Okay? Now, they don't tell us the initial membership fee, but they tell us that this one person has paid $250 after 6 months. They've just given us a point, right? They've just told us that 6 months costs $250. So, we have the slope, we have a point, we can now plug in and find B. So here's what we're going to do. I went and got a calculator because the numbers are a little bigger here, but we're going to plug into y equals mx plus b. This is my x and this is my y. So 250 equals 35 times x, the number of months is 6, plus b. So what's 35 times 6? 35 times 6 is 210. I'm going to subtract 210 from both sides, and I get that B is 40. That's my initial membership fee. They charge $40 per month, $40 as a membership fee, and then $35 a month. Okay, so my equation, my total cost, is $35, that's the slope, times the number of months, plus that $40 membership fee, $40 membership fee, okay? Now, the next thing it asks for, it says to find the total cost of membership after 10 months. So what have they told me? They've told me that T is 10. So we're going to plug in after 10 months, you're going to have paid $350 plus that $40 initial membership fee, so the cost is $390. So we would say the total cost after 10 months is $390. Okay? Now, this next one says a BMX racetrack charges a membership fee and an entry fee per race. One racer paid a total of $76 after 3 races. Another racer paid a total of $124 after 7 races. How much does the track membership cost? What is the entry fee per race? And write an equation that gives the total cost as a function of the number of races entered. Okay, so let's let C be our cost, and let's let R be the number of races. Okay, now do you see right here where it says it charges a membership fee and an entry fee per race. That membership fee, what's that going to be? That's going to be your B, and that entry fee per race is going to be your M. What they've given you here is 2 points, okay? So I want you to set up your 2 points, and then you find M and B, write the equation, then turn the video back on and check it. All right, check your work. I got my 2 points for 376 and 124. You know that time, the number of races, that's your independent variable, so that's going to be your X value. I found the slope. I got 12. That is the entry fee per race, so that's your slope, okay? Your rate is your slope, so $12 per race. Then I chose this point just because the numbers were smaller. I plugged 3 and 76 in. I used my slope as 12, or of 12, and I solved for B. I got B as 40. That's your initial membership fee. That's how much it charges just to get in, how much they charge just to get in the door. That's 40. I plugged that into my equation, and that is part C. Okay? Write any questions you have. We'll practice with this tomorrow.